Hello, this is Bill McCray. I wanted to give you a real quick tour of the Solo Ad Master class. The reason why I created this free training, there's no charge for any of this, is a lot of people buy solo ads and they truly do not know what to expect or how to make money doing it. So therefore, we have created a program to teach you how to do it. Go to soloadmasterclass.com and then you'll have to opt into my list, which you can opt out if you want. I don't hammer you with a pile of emails. I won't send you solo ad emails. It's just a kind of a follow-up sequence from the course. Once you do that, you will land on this page here, where you'll need to actually do a registration in order to see the courses that are available to you. You'll register here. Once you've registered, you can bookmark this page, come back to it, and log in. You can also log in right from the home page. Okay, so you can log in your course. When you do, you land on this page here, and we have all these courses here. Learn how to make money buying solo ads. Just click here. Make sure you've enrolled, that you've created your account first. Click here. You can view your course, and then you just simply select the enroll button. Once you've hit the enroll button, you can start watching the training by clicking on the first video and going through each one of these modules. It's very straightforward, really, really, very easy. Now, people make a mystery out of solo ads because they want to be able to sell you clicks. Honestly, the way you make money with solo ads is with your follow-up email marketing campaign, and we have that explained in detail here. The other course that's available here that you might want to look at is how to start your own solo ad business, which is done without even having to own a solo ad list. You don't need an email list to do this. You just buy and sell. This is a little bit more extensive a training, but it teaches you how to buy it and where to sell it and how to price it. And you can see it's not hard to do. And we literally have 600 resellers buying traffic from us now. If you want your own website or if you want to make money building your list, we have some recommendations here. Commission Code being one of our products for list building. So there's a great opportunity to get some fabulous free training. If you wonder why people buy solo ads and never make money, this will explain to you why. If you want to buy solo ads and build a list and make money and then be able to make a lot of money, we're going to recommend the Commission Code, but that's your choice. You have a wonderful day. Take care.